Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate sum formula in Word document. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to calculate sum formula in this document. Go to the insert menu, then create a table to calculate sum formula. Write number on this table. Then go to the layout menu, then click formula option. Then we can see here formula is sum left, then click OK. Now we can see here we calculate sum formula in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.